Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to cancel Temu order after shipping. So first of all we're going to go into the profile page at the bottom and then we're going to go into your orders. So all of your orders are already shipped, processed, delivered or returned, they will be all here. Then we're going to go into the shipped section at the top and it will show us all of the shipping ones or the already shipped. In my case I don't have any, but it should be right here. Now, if your order still hasn't shipped, you can press a cancel button on the bottom right of where it says can't find your order. On the right side there should be a cancel button, and then you can press on it and then scroll at the bottom and select every product that you want to cancel or cancel the whole order. And then if your product is actually shipped, it will be in this page right here and it will say that there will be no cancel button, but there will be a return/refund button and you can press on that. Now Temu has a policy where you can return any product within 90 days, so basically all you have to do is just go through that process and they will refund your money. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.